How to buy your first Bitcoin. A step-by-step guide. In today's digital age, buying Bitcoin is a straightforward process that opens doors to new financial possibilities. If you're ready to take the plunge, follow this step-by-step guide to make your first purchase a smooth experience. 1. Educate yourself. Before buying Bitcoin, it's essential to understand what it is and how it works. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency that allows peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Research its features, benefits, and potential risks to make informed decisions. 2. Choose a reliable exchange. Next, select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for platforms with strong security measures, user-friendly interfaces, and positive reviews. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each platform has unique features, so choose one that fits your needs. 3. Create an account. Sign up for your chosen exchange by providing your email, creating a password, and verifying your identity. This process often involves uploading identification documents, so be prepared. 4. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, fund it using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods accepted by the exchange. Keep in mind that different payment methods may have varying fees and processing times. 5. Place your order. With funds in your account, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the trading section, select Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose to buy a whole Bitcoin or just a fraction of it. 6. Secure your Bitcoin. After your purchase, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. While exchanges offer wallets, they can be vulnerable to hacks. Hardware wallets or software wallets provide better security for long-term storage. 7. Monitor your investment. Keep an eye on your investment and stay informed about market trends. Bitcoin's price can be volatile, so understanding the market can help you make better decisions about buying or selling. 8. Stay informed and adjust. As you become more comfortable with Bitcoin, continue learning about the cryptocurrency market. Join online communities, follow industry news, and explore advanced trading strategies to maximize your investment. In conclusion, buying your first Bitcoin can be an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency. By following these steps and remaining informed, you'll be well equipped to navigate this new landscape. Embrace the possibilities that Bitcoin offers, and remember, every great journey begins with a single step.